So, my dear students, hello from Electric Uncle, Hat Wale. So, today I bring a very small project for you, DIY project, or as a hobby, you can make it so. Very simple. The staircase wiring with using two switches of two-way switches and one lamp. Just make it, enjoy it. How to put it on, how to put it off from both sides. From the ground floor, from the first floor. How to control one lamp, okay? So it's very easy. You can do it as a hobby, right? So let us proceed and wish you will share it to your friends, the school going friends, okay? And subscribe the channel for my future notification for the future videos. So let us proceed. Now Electric Uncle wishes you a good day, and today he has brought very simple circuit for the beginners, for students, school going students who have as a hobby they want to do something in electrical works. So this circuit of staircase using two-way switches, two numbers of switches, you can make it very easily. You might have seen at your homes. You can put it on from the down, you can put it off from the down, you can put it on from the top, you can put it off from the put it on from the top, right? Like that. So we use two-way switch. This is the two-way switch. It has 3 points. The face is going here. From here it is going here to the upper. From here it will go to lamp, and this is neutral. This is hot wire face. Now if you want to put it off, just switch down. This will come here, and there it is connected here. So no supply will go to the lamp. It will be put off. I will show you in the PPT also this circuit, and practically also. I am going to make a practical circuit also for this, right? Now if someone want to put it on from the top, what he will do? He will remove this, he will bring the point here, right? This is connected now. From here this face is going to the lamp. Finish. Now he can put it off from here. Just what he will make, he will connect it here. So the supply will not go. Right? This point is not connected. I will show you in the diagrams also, PPT. You will understand. And practically I will make it. A small video, okay? So, this is something I wanted to bring it for the students as a hobby. They can make it so. Right? So, let us move to the PPT. Now, going towards the slideshow in the PPT formats, and in description you will find this PPT link. You can make printouts, make copy, and go ahead with this project. Very small project. You see, these are the stairs. Ground floor there is one switch. First floor there is one switch. Face is going direct to the ground floor switch center point, and other 2 points are going direct to the other switch at the ground floor, first floor. And from there face is going to lamp, and from lamp it is going to neutral. So you put it on, off, and it will start working, right? This is the switch, two-way switch, what they call. There is a center point, one is up, one is down. You can on, off from both sides. In our home there is a simple switch, just on, off. Only 2 points are there. Here there are 3 points. Center point you have to give the face. Other 2 points will go direct to the other switch, and the center point of the other switch, it will go to lamp, from lamp to neutral. You see this? The face is going to the common center point, and the other 2 points are going direct to the other 2 points. And the second switch, the common point, it is going to lamp, from lamp it is going to neutral. Now just watch GIF also. So like this, if you will make the circuit, you can do it. So very easy. You see, watch it. This is GIF. Huh? See, you put on, off, like that. From both sides, you can control the lamp. Circuit is same. You see, the two wires are going direct to other switch, and the one switch, the face is going, the other switch, the face is out to the lamp from lamp to neutral. So hope you will learn and enjoy. So my dear friends, here you see it practically. I make the connections as you see in the PPT drawing. These are the two wires going direct to switch. It's outer switch, right? From this switch going to this switch. From this wire going to this wire. Outside wires. Direct switches are connected. Same points we have to choose for the connection. Now, from the upper part or lower part, I give the bulb connection. This is the connection coming from the holder. From this holder, one wire will come here, okay, on this switch. This will go to bulb. From bulb, the neutral, these two wires are coming from the bulb, okay. One is the phase going to this switch. Other is the neutral going outside, direct to the supply, right? Now these are the same connections I made as I have shown in the PPT drawing. This switch has 3 points. Center point is common. If you put it on, it will connect. If you put it off, it will connect. So on off from the center point you can make it. Same is this switch. So in the drawing I have shown you. Now these are the connections I made practically to show you, right? So now we can see practically how it will work. I have the big bulb. So this is the big bulb. Now I will show you how these switches will work. You make it on from the top, make it off from the bottom, make it on from the ground floor and make it off from the first floor. So you can do like that. So let us see how it will work and make connections as per the drawings you see. Now I will show you. You see? Now you can put it off from this switch, right? And someone want to come up, he can put it on from this switch. You see? And when he will reach at the top, he can put it off from this switch. Now, someone wants to go down, he can put it on from here, and when he reaches to the ground, he can put it off from this switch. So, these are the two-way switches. I show you in the PPT, okay? You might have seen it. So, this is the practical, very simple for your DIY project, for a school, for the students of 9th and 10th class. So, you can proceed with that. So, thank you, gentlemen. We'll meet you in the next video with some small project for your school. So, my dear students, hope you might have learned and you will practice and you will make this project by yourself, and you can do. So we'll meet in our next video now, and wish and hope that you might have subscribed the channel and share it to your friends so that it should reach to the students who want such type of projects, DIY projects at home. It's very easy. You can make it, right? As a hobby also. So please do share it to your friends so that my free education platform channel will reach up to the students living in villages, towns, right? They can also learn the things. They too have right to learn. So we'll meet in our next video. Subscribe, share.